Hi everyone, today we are in Damansara Utama in this two-story terrace house. So this house in Damansara Utama is in the freehold part of Petaling Jaya and it has a land area of 23 by 70. And this two-story house comes with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So that's on the summary. Now let's go and check out inside. Happening Sunday 13 October 2 to 4 p.m. Come on over to our open house. Coming, RSVP below and see you there. So Damansara Utama is in an in-demand and hot and popular location in Petaling Jaya. It's surrounded by other mature tamans and neighborhoods, places that we know like Bandar Utama, Damansara Jaya, Damansara Kim, and Taman Tun. And because Damansara Utama is a mature taman and neighborhood, there are already a lot of amenities and infrastructures in place. Places like the Damansara Utama LRT3, Taman Tun MRT, Bandar Utama MRT, and for your grocery, entertainment, business needs, and shopping. There are so many malls around that are not short of. There's Starling Mall, Atria Shopping Gallery, Centerpoint Bandar Utama, One Utama, IKEA, The Curve, 17 Mall, and 3 Damansara Mall. Then if you're working outside of Damansara Utama, maybe you're working in the KL City Centre, or in Shah Alam, or in Cheras, or in Klang, or in Cyberjaya and Putrajaya, you can take the Sprint Highway, or the LDP, or the NKVE.